Hi guys, I'm back with another healthy recipe. Learn how to make a delicious, quick and easy pesto pasta. It can be served as a main dish or side dish and you can enjoy it warm and cold. Pesto is defined as crushed basil leaves with garlic, pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. You can do it manually, use a blender or a classic food processor to mix all the ingredients. Let's get started. These are the ingredients: 2 cups fresh basil, a 1/4 cup pine nuts, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup virgin olive oil or you can use regular olive oil, 1 clove crushed or chopped garlic, linguine or you can use any pasta of your choice, salt and pepper to taste. In a large pan, put the pine nuts and toast it for a few minutes over low heat until light brown. Remove from heat, transfer it in a bowl, and let it cool. In a large pot filled with water, add oil and salt and bring to boil. Add the pasta and cook it according to package instructions. Stir the pasta from time to time to avoid sticking to the pot. Do not overcook the pasta. Turn off the heat and pour the pot of pasta and water through a colander. Do not rinse the pasta, just drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil to minimize sticking. Now let's make the pesto sauce. In a food processor, add the spinach, toasted pine nuts, crushed garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Process until finely chopped. Guys, if you do not have a food processor, you can use a blender. The more you blend, the smoother the consistency of the pesto sauce. Gradually pour the remaining olive oil and keep processing until smooth. Check the taste and add more salt if needed. Transfer the pesto sauce to a large bowl. Add the cooked pasta. Toss the pasta to coat. Serve in a plate and sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. And that is my quick and easy pesto pasta recipe. Serve and enjoy! If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, C6J Travels. Don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for my next video. Follow my social media accounts at C6J Travels. Till my next recipe.